Up these stairs is a wonderful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, end unit condo. Let's go take a look. Welcome to 304D Colony Cove. This stunning condo has been completely rebuilt. Everything is new. Plumbing, electrical, floor, interior walls, everything. Before you see the $1 million view, take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. We'll first go into the second bedroom. Notice the barn doors, the TV. It has split AC units and wonderful windows for light and air. That's a little storage closet. And this is the main bedroom. It has those exact same features. The closet is right there. And it has an ensuite bathroom. Notice the high ceilings. Every room has vaulted ceilings. Here are double sinks and a large shower with a rain head shower head and a handheld wand. Behind this door is a lockable owner's closet. And here's the second bathroom. It also has a rain head shower head and a handheld wand. Barn doors are great, they don't take up space. That closet has the washer dryer and the water filtration system. And here's this beautiful kitchen with a gorgeous view. Oh my gosh. When we visited this unit, there have been snorkelers, windsurfers, dive boat, all kinds of seabirds going by. There's lots to watch. And it's very spacious. We enter the great room again. The doors are hurricane-grade sliders. Beautiful vaulted ceiling makes it feel so spacious. There's storage on each side of this island, and it has a quartz countertop.